Introducing the next generation SyncUP Kids Watch from T-Mobile, the smartwatch that lets parents and kids stay connected, with new features to help them explore and give you the reassurance you need, like text messaging and voice and video calling with pre-approved contacts, virtual boundaries so you're alerted once your child leaves a designated area, and real-time location tracking so you know if they're on their way home or at the skate park. Just click the track button on the app. There's even a help button so they can alert their preset emergency contact or call 911. Kids will love it too. It has a first-of-its-kind dual camera to capture unforgettable moments and take fun selfies, and a flashlight for those nights camping in the backyard. Plus, it's water-resistant, durable, and customizable. Now you can confidently let them explore, because you'll stay connected on our biggest and best network ever. Get the SyncUP Kids Watch too, and for a limited time, it's free. Only at T-Mobile.